So, when I got this chair, it was nice and new looking, although it was used, but it was still new looking. But I'm about to fix that. Watch me bring it back to life. Fabric store, and I brought this piece of leather from the fabric store. Only bought a yard, because that's all I need. And yeah, I cut that off. Well, yeah, I cut it off, ripped it off, did all that stuff. And all of these stuff. And yeah, cut. You see? And now I'm about to staple and do my little tricks. Let's see what I do. Crafty hands she got. So it's all done. It look brand new. I ain't gonna lie, I rushed it. It's neat on the outside. But nobody gonna see underneath there. But it's good. I did a good job. I ain't gotta go buy a new chair, or I ain't gotta pay nobody to do it. I did it myself. So I am done. This is the finishing look of the chair. I add a little, you know, it's not completely like neat or whatever the case may be, but I did my best. I kind of rushed it, but I think for me doing it my first time, I did a pretty good job. It's to my liking. I think it's different. And yes, I'm in the process of fixing over my little workstation, and this was my first project. So. All right, take care.